When it comes to what we eat, sometimes it's hard to decide between healthy options and the yummy but not so healthy ones.
We want to follow a diet, but we feel it's too hard to stick to or understand what it includes.
It can be confusing to figure out what to eat and what to avoid.
But don't worry, we've got some great tips to help you out.
Hi. Welcome to Mind Journey. Today we will share with you 5 different diets that help us stay healthy and give us lots of energy.
When we understand these diets, we can make better choices about what we eat.
Let's begin.
The Ketogenic Diet. It's a low-carb, high-fat, and high-protein diet.
You eat fewer carbs and more fats, which makes your body burn fat for energy. This process also creates ketones that provide energy to the brain.
The diet can lower blood sugar and insulin levels, offering some health benefits.
The Mediterranean diet. It focuses on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats like olive oil.
You eat lean proteins such as fish and poultry, and limit red meat.
By emphasizing fresh, natural foods, it provides essential nutrients and antioxidants.
This diet reduces the risk of heart disease and promotes brain health.
The Paleo Diet. This diet is based on ancient eating patterns.
You eat vegetables, fruits, meats, seafood, nuts, and seeds.
Processed foods, grains, and dairy are avoided. It aims to support weight loss, improves digestion, and enhances overall health.
By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, it promotes a more natural and balanced way of eating.
The Vegan Diet. It's completely plant-based, excluding all animal products.
You eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds.
The diet reduces the risk of heart disease, obesity, and certain types of cancer.
By emphasizing plant foods, it provides high fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients.
The DASH Diet. DASH is the acronym of Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension.
You eat fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products.
Limit sodium, saturated fats, and processed foods.
The diet effectively reduces blood pressure and enhances cardiovascular health.
By understanding and incorporating elements from these diets, we can make positive changes to our eating habits and overall well-being.
Remember, each person is unique, and it's important to find the approach that works best for you.
Don't be too hard on yourself if you occasionally stray from your chosen diet.
The journey to a healthier lifestyle is about progress, not perfection.
If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Bye.